Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make your sounds muffled on a CapCut application. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and here I already have the project as well as the music or the sounds for my video, and here is the video. Okay, so for the next, let's make this sounds muffled. The way to do that, you just need to go click the audio sections right here, and then after that go click it again until the music's part is being active, and after that you just need to jump into this voice effects. In this voice effect there will be several sections that you can choose. Now you just need to jump into the retro and slide this section into the left side until you find a microphone. And whenever you find the microphone, you just need to go click it, and here is the result. And now you just need to go click done, and you already have the sounds being muffled. So that's the way how to make your sounds or music sounds muffled on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.